Okay, what's that word you use? Go ahead.
So this one isn't compared to this one. This one is cooler and that one isn't cooler. And that opens up and that opens up and this opens up. So now we know that that opens up and that opens up and it's just like that one.
Wow. What is it?
It's a little hideout.
Yeah.
And Mommy, you know what that is?
What?
It's where Han Solo is. Like, where's Han Solo at?
Is he still in there?
No.
No, where'd you put him?
I don't know where we put him.
Oh, he's laying there. He's inside.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
What is he doing there?
Han Solo shoots the gunman on top of it.
It's awesome, buddy. Is this a cool present?
Yeah.
Is that just what you wanted?
This is the driver's seat. And where's the sidekick, Daddy?
Did you go find your Star Wars guys?
Yeah, go get him. They're upstairs.